What up guys, today I'm gonna make a little bit of different video. Recently I bought this Volvo C70, which is a great car, and I'm planning to replace the turbo, the intercooler and the injectors of the car, and I'm gonna make a little bit of remap of it. But unfortunately there is no boost meter. I always liked those stock boost meters on the 850s, located right there. Of course I can put the boost meter on the side column, but it's a little bit too much for me, a little bit too racy. So I'm planning to integrate one inside the dashboard. Let's see what will happen. Unfortunately, it turns out that this is going to be an ambitious project. There is no space at all. But I bought one digital meter, which probably I can fit right there. First I'm gonna make a hole. So I'm gonna make the hole with the scissors. And to make the hole perfect, I'm gonna use a cone of sandpaper mounted like this. There are two motors of the pointers, which are huge, and unfortunately I'm gonna need to cut the LCD of the meter, and the wiring is gonna be a hell. But let's do this and let's see what will happen. Here I'm gonna try a simple test. I wanna see how it will look, and I think it looks very nice. Of course, this is a test mode. When it's mounted on the car, it's not gonna change the colors. This exact boost meter is with a couple of different colors, and it's made like this for matching your own color of the dashboard. So, I've cut the plastic, but as you can see, the two motors are on my way. So I'm gonna need to cut it a little bit more and place only the LCD there. At this point, as I can see, it is really an ambitious project, but I'm not gonna give up. Here is the LCD. A little bit of wiring. And it's done. And I think it looks stunning. Now I'm gonna try to put everything together. Unfortunately there is a problem, because the LCD is black and the others are green, but I have to learn to live with it, because there is nothing else that I can do about this. Okay, so this is my standard dash, and this is the new one, which I bought specially for this project, and I think it looks good, very good. I'm not gonna put it in the car right now, because this is not the only mod that I'm planning to do, and you can subscribe to my channel and you will see what other plans I have. So, this is the final product. Unfortunately, this board should be outside. All the wires are secured. I've put those two wires for a button, which I'm planning to mount somewhere here. Maybe I'm gonna use a traction button, and I'm gonna change the color of the screen with it. If you like my project, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and tell me what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching.